check what is left outer join. We have two tables here, table A and table B. And if you can see, table A is selected entirely, but only the matching values from table B is retrieved. Other is white, right? It's not selected. So left outer join will retrieve all the rows from left table and only the matching rows from right table. So if there is no record found in right table for a particular key value, then it will be null. So we have an employee table here and address table. So employee table will contain the employee details. Address will contain the country of each employee. So now we have 4 employees. So we can join this table using employee number because that is common, right? So now we are joining using these two columns and we will check the first row. Employee number 1, it is present in employee table. Employee number 1 is not present in address table. So as per the description of left outer join, it will retrieve all the rows from left table. So it will retrieve this first record, but only the matching rows from right table. So if it is not matching or present, it will be null. So first record is null. Now employee number 2, it is present in both the tables. So all the values will be fetched from both the tables. Employee number 3 is not present in address table. So all the values from employee table will be fetched and the country will be null. For fourth record, you have fourth employee number is present in both the table, so all the values will be fetched. I hope the left outer join is clear. Let's check how to write an SQL query for it. Let's start writing query. We want to fetch all the columns from employee table. So e dot start and country from address from employee E, left outer join table B on. You're not using where, you're using on. And which two columns we are checking? E dot employee number is equal to A dot employee number. Let's order by ID. E dot emp number. So we have, it has returned us the required values. So from table A, all the rows are present. From table B, matching rows are fetched and rest is null.